Oo nga pala. Maalala ko, naisang tabi ko nga pala itong video na ito. Nakakaligtaan ko lang kasi sa sobrang stress ko. Alam nyo ba, biglang tumayo si Madam Pia at feeling ko, parang, ha? Bakit niya sinabi yan? Kakampi na ba siya ng prosecution? Tingnan nyo.
I want to understand your appreciation of the crime of grave threats. Okay? It sounds like a simple question, but when I look at the elements, so explain ko din sa mga nakikinig. Pag tinignan natin ang definition ng crime, nandiyan yung elements. So the prosecution must always prove yung elements of the crime. Ang question ko ay, in your appreciation, dapat ba na ang supposed victim nakaramdam talaga siya ng threats? Or is it enough that the general public considers the statement threatening? Okay, so is it personal or is it a general sentiment? Now, before I proceed, gusto ko magbigay ng example. And my fourth example is a senator. Pag sinabi niyang bibit-biting kita, kikwelyuhan kita, palalayasin kita, is that a grave threat? I'll add some details. If that is supposedly addressed to a fellow senator, and she is a female senator like me, na kahit na hindi naman isa kong kilalang runner, marathoner, but a non-violent person, is that a grave threat?
O, paano ba yan, Katulfo? Grave threat ka pala. Tingnan nga natin kung totoo sinasabi ni Madam Pia.
O papayag na maghihiring-hiringan kayo dyan at I will have you arrested. I promise. I don't care kung dati kang Senate President, dati kang Speaker of the House, I don't give up. Talagang papahuli kita. Kung hindi papahuli, kung ayaw ng usa, bibit-biting kita, kikwilyuhan kita, palalayasin kita dyan sa floor na yan.
Mukhang totoo nga. Check natin ha. Tingnan natin yung sagot. Kung talagang totoong threat or grave threat talaga yung ginawa mo, Katulfo. Lagot ka.
Is that a grave threat? Well, I'll just tell you my personal opinion and then I'll tell you now. I felt that was a grave threat.
Katulfo, one down.
So, may I ask the counsel and the witness to now answer the question? Thank you.
To repeat, itong sinabi ng Supreme Court, all that needs to be proven is that they were intended by the accused to have that effects. Yung sagot sa tanong, hindi po galing sa prosecution, hindi po opinion, galing mismo sa Supreme Court of the Philippines, Your Honor.
Naku, Katulfo, 2 points.
Ang isa ho doon sa sinabi ng Government versus People, hindi ho kailangan na ma-intimidate o itrato ng recipient na seryoso yung threat na yan. Ang sufficient na maipakita lang na yun yung intensyon ng offender, na ma-intimidate at i-threat na seryoso yung utterances or threatening remarks na ginawa niya. Yun po yung naging basihan po namin, Your Honor.
Naku, Katulfo, jackpot ka. 3 points. At least, di ba? Hindi ka na lang ngayon law bender o grave threatener ka pa. Another title. Good vibes lang ha, walang pikunan.